Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the rear brake pads on this Volvo XC60. This particular model is 2013 and this car is fitted with electronic handbrake. Right, so what we're going to do here in order to wind the caliper back is we're going to be using this top-down Phoenix Plus software. So we're going to go back to the installation check and we're gonna press OK. There we go. That has rewinded the handbrake motor back. And now that we have completely released the handbrake motor, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide in the flathead screwdriver and we're gonna push the piston all the way back. There we go. So the rest of it we're gonna do it when we undo the caliper itself. Just gonna undo the 213mm bolts. That's one of the bolt out of the way. There we go. That's the caliper fully released. So now we're gonna wind the piston back completely. There we go. That's the piston fully pushed back. Right, so just gonna remove the brake pads. There we go. That's the old brake pads taken off. Here comes our new brake pads. We got these from our local auto part shop for £20. Right, so before we insert the new brake pads, we're just gonna apply grease on these guide pins. We're using this special high temperatured grease. Just gonna do the top one as well. That's good enough. Right, so next we're gonna clean the area with the wire brush. There we go, friends. Right, so just gonna slide in the brake pads, but before we slide them in, just gonna apply a little bit grease on the arms here. Make sure you don't apply any grease on the brake pads itself. There we go. That's the inner pad. Just gonna slide it in. There we go. That's the inner pad. We're just gonna fit the outer one now. There we go. Just lay a bit on the arms, both sides. There we go. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna bring in the caliper itself. There we go. Just gonna fit two 13mm bolts. One at the top, one at the bottom. There we go, that's the top bolt nicely secured. Just gonna do the bottom one. There we go, friends. That's the bottom bolt nicely secured. Right, there we go, friends. I've fitted the new pads. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna activate the handbrake function again. So we are using this Phoenix top-down plus software. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go into this screen. So exit service mode, that's what we're gonna go into. And then what we're gonna do is that's gonna deactivate service mode, so the brake will return to the neutral mode. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna choose. So we're gonna press OK. So job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.